Discuss about here length of lattice rectum. Okay, so what I want to tell you here, this point is a gamma 0. I told you na, this is called lattice rectum, right? What is the equation of lattice rectum here? Equation of lattice rectum is what? Now this is the line, right? This is the line, this is the line. Then equation of lattice rectum will be what? Equation of lattice rectum, equation of lattice rectum. Bolo, what is the equation of lattice rectum? अरे देखिए बोलो ना सर, ये पॉइंट, ये क्या है, यही है ना. इक्वेशन ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम में x इज इक्वल टू यही, राइट? x इज इक्वल टू यही है ना. इधर क्या है, इधर इक्वेशन ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम क्या होगा? इधर इक्वेशन ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम x इज इक्वल टू माइनस ए. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम इज x इज इक्वल टू प्लस आर माइनस ए, राइट? नाउ लिसन हियर. If this point, if I want to know this point here, what I do here, I take now, you know that this point is, this distance is a. Can you tell me what is the here point coordinate of x? X coordinate a, y coordinate 0. So what will be here? X coordinate will be what? What will be the x coordinate here? If this is a, this will be a na. X coordinate will be a, right? All dear students, क्या बोलते हो? So x coordinate is a, and this a, if I substitute, you know what is the equation of ellipse, standard ellipse? For this equation, what is the equation of the ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, right? Focus is on x axis. Major length, major axis length you know, minor axis length you know in the previous lecture, right? If I substitute a in this, in the place of x is equal to a, if I substitute in this, then what I will get? Y is equal to, I will get b square by a, I will get. If I substitute, if I simplify, no need to do simplification, I am just telling you. Nobody will ask you proofs in JEE, okay, or any CET or any Maharashtra board or any boards. So you need to know y value is how much I get. Substitute x is equal to a in this and simplify, I will get y is equal to b square by a. So here I get as what is this? This is b square by a, I will get. Can you tell me what is this end point? This focus, and this is lattice rectum end points. I am asking here lattice rectum end points. Can you tell me what is this here? What will be this one? This will be x is what, y bar. What is x point and y point? अरे तो ये है ना, ये x पॉजिटिव है ना, x तो नेगेटिव थोड़ी है. a comma y will be negative down, so minus b square by a. Now tell me here is what, x will be what? Minus a comma, बोलो जल्दी बोलो यार, b square by a, and this length is how much? Minus a comma minus b square by a, correct? So the length of lattice rectum, the length of lattice rectum is equal to length of lattice rectum, lattice rectum, okay? The length of lattice rectum is equal to, this is the length, this y length is b square by a, this y length also b square by a, okay? दिखने का ऐसा छोटा दिख रहा है, बहुत सेम है, मैंने ड्रॉ गलत किया, ठीक है? This is b square by a, this is b square by a, adding both of them I'll get how much? 2b square by a. So the length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. समझ में आया? Any point, any general point on the lattice ellipse, that is parametric point on the ellipse. What is a parametric point on the ellipse? What is a parametric point on the ellipse? Parametric point on the ellipse. Parametric point on the ellipse. Tell me, jaldi. Ellipse. I explained many times in applications of derivatives there also, right? What is the parametric point on the ellipse? Parametric point on the ellipse means which is satisfy this equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which satisfies this. That is parametric point. You know circle, x square is equal, x square plus y square is equal to a square. What is the parametric point for this? Circle chapter over. What is the parametric point of the circle? A cos theta comma a sin theta. Do you remember? If I substitute here a, I get a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta. If I take out a common, a square is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. So I am going to get a square, this satisfying. So parametric point for the circle is a cos theta comma a sin theta. In this case is, if I take any parametric point anywhere on the ellipse, the parametric point on the ellipse is a cos theta comma b sin theta. Okay. Sir, b sin theta क्यों? See, if I substitute here, I get as a square cos square theta by a square plus b square sin square theta by b square cancel, a square cancel, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So parametric point on the ellipse is a cos theta comma b sin theta. Listen here, one more thing. See, this is vertex. Yeah, I told you directrix already. X is equal to what? Minus a by e. And here also I told you what is directrix here. X is equal to plus a by e. Did I told you this? Now what I told you, right, one more thing. This is the vertex. If I draw a line to this vertex, what is this equation of this vertex? What is this vertex? Equation of this vertex. Y is equal to b na. So the point is y is equal to b na. And what is this vertex? Yeah, if I take here and I draw here, this is also. And if I take here vertex, if I draw here also, so it is coming out. Okay, here if I draw and if I draw like this, so what happened? All these vertices is surmounted, right? By the ellipse is inside this. Ellipse is inside this, all these lines, and these lines forms rectangle shape. Which shape they forms? Rectangle shape. This is forms rectangle, right? This is and this is, you can see, and this is this is and this is, you can see here. This is this point and this point and this point and this point, you see here. It forms a rectangle shape. What is this length? Here to here length is how much? Major axis 2a. Here to here is this length is how much? Minor axis 2b. And this, what is the area of the rectangle? What is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is what? Area of the rectangle will be what? 2a length into breadth. 2a into 2b. That is how much? 4ab. Area of the rectangle is 4ab. If I join see here, if I join these vertices, okay, this I joined, and this I joined, and this I joined. Inside also it forms. So what is the area of this inside one? Inside figure, this area. If I want to find this in the area of this inside figure, and I know this is a triangle, what is the area of this triangle? This length is how much? This length is how much? AE. This length is how much? AE, right? A. This length is A. A na vertex hai na A. And this length is how much? B. So what is the area of the triangle here? What is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is what? Half into A into B, length into breadth. Like this, how many triangles are forming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then what is the area will be? Area will be 4 into half into AB. So this is cancelled 2 times. So what I get here? 2AB square units. This inside one area is 2AB square units. Outside one's rectangle area is 4AB. Understood? Note down this. We will do problems right now.